Hi, now an example for the theorem for the 10-point G convexity. So example 4, they calculate the Macaulay duration in example 1 and apply the theorem to obtain the modified convexity. So basically the convexity, the modified convexity is the Macaulay convexity plus the Macaulay duration over the 1 plus I square. And we have already calculated this in the example 3. So now that we want to calculate this one, then also we can derive this one. So left-hand side, we derived with another method, but we can now double check if the modified convexity is correct. Okay, so at first, the duration, Macaulay duration. So how to calculate the Macaulay duration? So Macaulay duration is a pretty simple formula. So the basically weighted average of maturity. So T times the V to the power T times AT over summation of BT AT. So this is equal to, we have the 2-year bond. So the 1 times 1.06% interest rate, and the inverse times the 1, but that is $10, and plus the 2 times 1.06 inverse times 110. This is cash flow at time 2. Then denominator is this present value. So this is the weighted average of 1 and 2. So this should be in between 1 and 2. And actually, this becomes 1.90912. So the most cash flow happens at t is equal to 2. So it's closer to 2. So this is the Macaulay duration. So now that we want to calculate the modified convexity by this. And the Macaulay convexity, okay, so if we use this one, so Macaulay convexity was the 3.736. And now we have calculated the duration. So duration is 1.912. And over 1 plus I square, so 1.06 square. And this becomes 5.027. So now you can see that this is consistent with calculation in example 1. So this is an example for the theorem.